Students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your home. So I Kajal Singh, your GK teacher, is here again, and today we are going to start our new topic, that is animal world. So let's begin. Animal world. I eat nuts, seeds and fruits. I hide my food in different places. So children, any guesses? Yes, it's a squirrel. I have very thick skin and a horn. So it's... Yes, very good. It's rhinoceros. I am a small red-like creature. I sleep throughout winter. And it is dormouse. Yes, the cute little one. I have sharp quills on my back. Yes, the answer is porcupine. And children, tell me now, what are quills? Yes, these pointed hair on its back are called quills. I carry my home on my back. My name rhymes with pain. Yes, of course, this one is easy. Yes, the answer is a snail. Very good. Okay, so I am the national bird of New Zealand. I cannot fly. Yes, it's Kiwi. Superb, children. Clap for yourself.
I'm a big rodent called a porcupine. I wear an armor of sharp quills or spines. For protection from enemies, I have a trick. When they come near, I give them a good prick. My quills are actually modified hair. When they fall in their place, new ones I bear. When I sense danger, they stand on their ends, but they don't really harm my friends. I feed on leaves, fruits, twigs and bark. I'm more active in the night when it's dark. With my sharp claws I climb trees very well. I've a strong sense of hearing and smell. I live mostly in trees in forest dens, in grasslands and deserts too, in homes called dens. My babies are called porcupines. At your own risk you may keep me as your pet.
I'm a Kiwi, I make shrill calls. Can you hear me a wee bit at all? It's more like a whistle, out it slowly fizzles.
So that's all for today. In your homework, you have to complete the page number 6 in your book only. Children, don't forget to write your name and section in the comment box and subscribe the channel, like my video. God bless you all. Bye bye.